Assalamu alaikum and welcome to another video. Today we are visiting Snowdania. We've just stopped to have a break. We're about an hour and a half into our journey. Still got an hour and a half left, and we've stopped to have a breakfast, and you see the scenery around here. It's very, very nice. The boys are tucking into the tea. Say hello, guys.
Hello.
Hello everyone. Hi.
The road's been blocked. Have a look at this. The beauty about places like Snowdania is that on the way there's so many beautiful places. You can park up and come out, take videos, take pictures. We've been now traveling for around about 2 hours. We've had a break in between, so about half an hour on the break. Still got about an hour left, but on the way there's spectacular views. Okay boys, you enjoying yourself?
Yes. Very nice, and to be honest, it is more beautiful and more exciting in Switzerland.
Okay. Wahab's calling us. I think it's time to go back up. Okay guys, we've reached Snowdonia. We've just parked near the mountain railway in Snowdon. So we're gonna now go around, check the place out. So stick around guys, you'll see some fantastic views. We are walking up Mount Snowdon. We've come across this lovely waterfall. As you can see, it's absolutely amazing. Reached halfway up to get to the summit here at the Mount Snowdon. It's about 12 miles long, 1,085 meters, which is very high. We're going to be now heading back down and look at guys when we get down.
Thì em lấy câu vừa đi.
Okay guys, after the hiking, we are feeling very hungry and we find a nice location for a barbecue. Now we can enjoy our barbecue and you guys enjoy our video. Best luck. अब इसको पसंद किया ना तो
that's our day in Snowdania today. We finished the barbecue. We had a fantastic time going up to on the Snowdon Mountain, and the views over here were absolutely fabulous. Guys, you should always leave the place as clean as you would like to find it. I mean, we've done our barbecue. We left the place as we found it. So please guys, like, share and subscribe to our channel Travel and Taste, and until the next time, Allah Hafiz.